Hello student, I am Uma Garg, Assistant Professor in NIT Engineering College, Alwar. Today our topic is security attack. So first of all, what is security attack? So security attack is an attempt to gain unauthorized access of information, resource or services, or to cause harm or damage of information systems. Security attack classified into two categories. First is active attack and second is passive attack. So what is active attack? An active attack attempts to alter system resource or affect their operations. Active attack involves some modification of the data stream or creation of false statement. We will understand it by diagram. Here the attacker does the modification of data stream or the creation of a false stream that is transmitted between sender and the receiver. Active attack are classified into following categories. First attack is masquerade attack. Masquerade attack take place when one entity pretends to be different entity. Here Lily and John talking to each other by internet or other communication entity. Bob the opponent tried to pretend himself the original sender. Means Bob the attacker sent a message to John pretending himself as Lily. Now the second type of attack is attack is replay attack. The opponent captured a data unit once and the subsequent retransmission of captured data to produce an unauthorized effect. Here Bob the attacker captured a sequence of messages and resend them to John. That is called replay attack. Now the third type of active attack is modification attack. In this type of attack, some portion of a message is altered or that message is delayed or recorded to produce an unauthorized effect. Here, Bob the opponent modifies the message that is being transferred in between Lily and John. That is called modification attack. Now the fourth type of active attack is denial of service. This attack prevents normal use of communication facilities. This attack may have a specific target. For example, an entity may suppress all messages directed to a particular destination. Another form of service denial is the disruption of an entire network either by disabling the network or by overloading it by messages so as to degrade performance. That is a diagram of denial of service. Here Lily and John, Lily is the sender and John is the receiver, and Bob the opponent overloading the server by giving false request. Now the next type of attack is passive attack. In passive attack, the goal of opponent is to obtain information that is being transmitted. Means the attacker only obtain the message, his sequence of messages, content of messages. He does not do any modification in the messages. This is called passive attack. Let us try to understand by diagram. Here sender and receiver. Sender sends a message to the receiver and the attacker observing the pattern of the messages only. He doesn't do any modification in the data. First type of passive attack is release of message content. As the name suggests, release of message content means the opponent tried to release or read the content that is being transmitted. Example is a telephone conversation is recorded or listened by the third person. Why the example? Here Lily and John, that is talking to each other by internet, and Bob only release the message content, only observe the pattern of the message that is being transmitted between Lily and John. Now the second type of passive attack is traffic analysis. Traffic analysis, the opponent tried to obtain the location and identity of communication host and could observe the frequency and length of messages. In the diagram, Lily and John, Lily is the sender and John is the receiver. Here Bob the opponent observe the pattern that is being transmitted between Lily and John. That is traffic analysis. Now the difference between active and passive attack. In active attack, the active attack include modification of the messages, as we read earlier, and in passive attack the attacker does not commit any changes. The attacker only observe the pattern of the message. Second point of active attack is the attacked entity is aware of the attack. Means he knows that somebody is between sender and receiver. And in passive attack, the attacked entity is unaware of the attack because the attacker doesn't do any modification. He only observes the pattern of the messages that is being transmitted between sender and the receiver. Third point of active attack is causes a huge amount of harm of the system, and in passive attack doesn't cause any harm of the message and system resources. This is all about the security attack. Thank you so much.